Yeah.
Funny. Yeah. What do you have? What do you have? Hi, Meg. Oh, gosh,
I
you're
think
funny.
she's a Floridor dancer.
I'm telling you, if you were like this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'd be sleeping all day Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You're a funny girl. You're a funny girl. You're a funny girl. Yeah.
Oh,
Got
be
my
gentle.
hair. Hi. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she has to know who's holding her.
She's so happy.
Yeah.
I'm T.
Oh, I am.
Oh, ba 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 ba.
What you got there? Just doing a little shredding. Just doing a little shredding. What you doing there, Meg? No, you can't be quiet for too long. So does she have a new bigger diaper?
Up. Up, ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
Crazy gal here. Yeah. Magic tricks.
What time should you normally go to bed?
Oh, 8. 8-ish.
Yeah, she seems real ready.
Yeah.
Look at those any pieces out of there. Here. Watch this. Watch this. Watch.
Watch Grandma.
Watch. Look. Look. Can you see it?
Watch. Where did it go? Can you do it?
You do it.
That's got to be smaller. So.
There.
We'll make confetti out of this. We shredded some leaves on the front